Leak-proof spout lid. Triton bottle comes with an innovative spout lid that allows for easy one-handed drinking or pouring. It features a hinge lock that keeps the cap out of your way while drinking. Easy carry loop handle, perfect for any adventure. Dishwasher safe. Takeya Triton bottles feature an iconic silhouette with a wide mouth for easy filling and easy cleaning. Triton plastic is shatterproof and BPA-free for a toxin-free hydration solution. Premium bottles and lids. Our innovative line of hydration solutions come in a range of sizes and lids. We offer bottles in Triton plastic or double-wall vacuum-sealed stainless steel in 14 ounces to 64 ounces, as well as a variety of lids made for any activity. BPA-free hydration solutions. From Triton plastic to insulated stainless steel water bottles to beverage makers and pitchers, Takeya USA products help you stay cool, refreshed and hydrated for an active, on-the-go lifestyle. Innovative hydration solutions. Takeya brings over 55 years of Japanese design heritage to our line of insulated, BPA-free water bottles. Our sustainable iced tea, fruit infusion, cold brew pitchers. Top reviews from the United States. The best, you won't be disappointed. I love this water bottle. The royal blue color is amazing. It's hard to find a large water bottle with a spout top that doesn't have all of the stupid writing of reminders and times to drink. I hate that. I wanted something, pretty color. No plastic smell or taste, sturdy, leak-proof, simple to clean, dishwasher safe top rack. Easy to hold even though it's 40 ounces. I didn't want a straw because that gets gross to keep it clean after a while. I wanted to be able to drink without my fingers touching the spout to open it and to have a cover for the spout. You just twist the top and lift to drink from the spout and the lid stays back while you're drinking, which is great. I am also tired to bring 3-16 ounces spring water bottles to work, and this holds just about that much. I'm going to order more for family, maybe another one for me. I would also order a larger one if they made one around 64 ounces. I wish they had one.